Hello, and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So yeah, here on the chart, we are still in this pattern that we discussed in the last few days. Current idea is that the larger degree fourth wave bottomed around the 20th of December, and the market could now be moving up in this third wave here. So smaller degree fourth wave, yeah, bottom there, and we're now in this fifth wave of wave 3. And this fifth wave in this larger third wave is again a 5-wave pattern. And there are a couple of ways that lead to higher prices. Yeah, I see a couple of pathways that are reasonable scenarios, especially here. The yellow one gives me a wave 1, a wave 2. And then obviously this would be a diagonal pattern. And here A, B, C in wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. I find this actually quite a nice scenario, but the price must hold above the 33.3 cent level, which is possible, I guess, it's possible, but it's just messing around. So there isn't much upside momentum at the moment that would give us an indication that the C wave to the upside has started. But this is one scenario I'm tracking. I mean, essentially the price should hold in this scenario above the 78.6 retracement. It's just off the rally here between the 13th of January and the 18th of January. Yeah, this 78.6 fib level needs to hold because any break below it is too deep. It's basically too deep for yellow wave B. But it could still be an alternative scenario in that case, which takes us to the white scenario, which also isn't ideal, but it's a possible scenario. I guess Trump's first week has led to some distortions on the smaller time frames. Hasn't really changed scenarios, but has led potentially to some distortions. So on the chart, you can see trend lines. So in the white count, if we say we have a 5-wave move up, which we can call a wave 1, but it's a questionable one because it's all overlapping, right? And the yellow count is at the moment preferred, but only as long as the market holds above the 33.3 cent level. Any break below 33.3 cents will shift the focus towards the white count, yeah. But then we have 5 waves up in wave 1. Bear in mind, it's a questionable 5-wave move. The pullback could unfold as an A, B, C structure. There's no evidence at this stage that wave 2 is finished. I mean, if it turns around to the upside here, then it reacted to support and it's the yellow count. But if it, moves a little lower eventually, breaks below 33.3 cents, but can hold above the 20th of December low, it's the white count. So I see 2 bullish pathways which align with the idea that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed here on the 20th of December. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's one scenario. That's our leading diagonal in wave 1, or an extended diagonal. 1, 2, and then this is wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. 2 different ways how we can understand the chart. Unfortunately, nothing impulsive. For me, the key support is at 25 cents at the moment on this time frame. It's been holding for a while. Below 25 cents, I would get nervous. I wouldn't necessarily say that the bullish outlook has failed, but I would start to get a bit nervous about the scenario. Ideally, we're not breaking below that level. Yeah. So for now, in addition to the patterns, the Elliott wave structures, we can observe there are these trend lines that I've added to the charts. And especially, if the market breaks below that 78.6 fib level, then the last swing low is relevant at 31 cents as structural support. To the upside, we have the following targets, especially here, the December highs and November highs around 48 cents. And above that level, the 58, 59 cent level, or let's call it 60 cents, which I would still like to see reached in this larger degree third wave here. Yeah. So that's the update at the moment about Doge. I think the weekend could be boring. Next week, ideally, we see a little bit of upside to confirm the yellow scenario, but prepare mentally at least for the white count because there is no impulse to the upside that would give us very, very clear probabilities. that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.